Well, good morning, YouTube, and welcome back to Retired for Life. So we're back down at the site for the off-grid cabin and, of course, the Road to Nowhere trail. So I think at this point in time, I'm finished expanding this site. I fooled around with it an awful lot, basically waiting for things to get a little drier so I can actually start the building. So the last thing that I've got to do on this site is get a finished grade on it and dig a bit of a ditch around the outside edge on this side to help drain away any of the rainwater that builds up. And to grade it, I need to take the backhoe off. But before I do that, I want to continue work on the Road to Nowhere trail. Now, we've gotten way farther than I ever expected to get. So let's go down and have a look at the trail and we'll see how far I am down here. So we've made it all the way to the bottom of Dragon's Back Hill. This is where the worst of the flooding happens. So what my plan is to kind of dig a ditch going across here, taking the flood water off this way. And then farther up, I'm going to dig another ditch, also carrying the water away so it doesn't keep running down here. And to get over top of this ditch, my plan is to put in a log bridge. We'll see how that goes. It should be interesting. All right, let's go get the tractor set up and we'll get back down here. Well, I hope you guys have been enjoying this video, and if you have, don't forget to give it a like, and I'd really love to have you to subscribe to the channel. And if you've got any thoughts, questions, suggestions, don't forget to leave a comment and let me know. I'd love to hear from you. All right, let's get back to the work. All right, folks, so there is our drainage ditch that goes right across and down this other path. So this should work. So my next step here is going to be to start cutting logs to lay across here. I'm going to put a bunch across this way and then crisscross them, kind of thing. So that's pretty good. I'm pleased with getting that far. All right, that's going to be it for today. And then hopefully tomorrow morning we can get back and work on digging my ditch along the side of the path that will come down into this. All right, time for dinner. Let's head for home and we'll see you in the morning. Well, good morning, folks. We're back down to the Road to Nowhere trail and the site for the off-grid cabin. And of course, it rained pretty much all day yesterday and into this morning. So things got nice and wet. Just perfect. I've got possibly an issue here with this tree. It's right on the edge of the trail. And I don't really think I can get my ditch past it. I can probably get past this one because it's not that close, but this one's an issue. We are ready pretty much to start digging this trench. Yeah, I'm very pleased with this. This looks good. All right. So, a couple of trees to take down. That one's a fair size. It may be a challenge to get down. But with the ground being as soft as it is, and with the use of our root ripper attachment on the backhoe, I'm hoping that I can get it down without too much issue. But I think we're going to come down and take a crack at this one first. All right, guys, we've got the root ripper on here. We're in position. So let's see what we can do with this first one. Well, that was easy. I don't think we're going to get away as lucky with the next one. All right, let's get up in position and try it. All right, I have to get a little closer to this one than I really want because of where I have to put the bucket into the ground. Let's give it a try, see what we can do. I'm just not in a good position here, so I'm going to turn around and come at it this way. Just the root ball to get rid of. So I'm going to come down with the chainsaw, take off the top of it kind of thing, get the tractor out of the way, let the hydraulics cool down on that. And then we will be actually ready to try and put our ditch in. So we'll get cleaned up and then I'll get back to you. All right. I'm pretty much exhausted right now. We've done a lot of work clearing, made a lot of progress. So that's going to be it for today's video, folks. So thanks very much for watching. So if you've been finding these videos entertaining, maybe a little bit interesting, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it around. And I'd love to have you subscribe to the channel. We are growing, and that's thanks to all the new subscribers, and a big thank you to my regulars who are always commenting and that type of thing. I really appreciate you folks a lot. So remember to stay safe out there, be good to each other, and we will see you out on the trails the next time.